Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here to run through the trade with you on the 7th day of May, 2026. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room. And here's a trade taken in the room by traders today. So here we go. And we're going to go with our pretty much signal we take every day, which is our strong candle indicator, which is this little pyramid down here pointing upwards, saying go ahead and take the market's going to go long, so go ahead and get involved at this point. So we look over here at the PVI and we expect the next candle to be somewhere between 120 and 150 ticks long. So we're going to pair that with our targets and we're going to go for 20s, 50s, and 100s. We'll de-risk the trade at 20 and then see if we can catch our runners. So that's how we're going to go. This is how it all went down. We got a little bit of red, which is perfect. We can drop this down right over the current candle and wait for it to get picked up. Once it gets picked up, we'll keep it going and speed it up a little bit. So there we are. If we wanted to, we could have dropped that down onto the body of the strong candle. First thing we need to do is put our stop where it belongs, which is the last major failure point, and wait for our first target to be hit. Once our first target's hit, we're going to de-risk the trade. And I may need another, if I come out and I may need another order in case our first target gets hit, our stop comes up and it comes and takes us out at break even. I don't remember if that happened or not on this particular one, but targets are set so we can go ahead and speed up and watch what happens when our first target gets hit here. We're going to de-risk the trade. Stop's going to come up underneath the current candle. And we'll go from there. Boom. Now, if this comes back and takes us out, it'll be a break-even trade. All right, so 50s are out relatively quickly. And maybe we should have taken our targets out here at the brick wall, but let's see if we can catch a runner. Boom. That trade took exactly 2.5 minutes to complete and was worth 980 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 980 US dollars in 2.5 minutes, come and join us in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. We have all kinds of education as well, and we'll help you get started right away. So I look forward to seeing you all next time. Until then, God bless you, and we'll see you